Oh wow! I look about 20 years younger now. Yay! 35 again.
Hi guys, welcome back to the VIVA Skin Clinics YouTube channel. Super excited today because we've got Samina with us, and today I'm going to be carrying out a facelift with a catch, completely non-surgical. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of filler, so that's 5 mils for the procedure, so come and check it out. So Samina, tell me a bit about what's brought you in to see us at VIVA.
Okay, so I've been becoming more and more concerned about my marionette lines, which have become quite deep, and also about my jowls. I used to have quite a defined jawline, but it's become quite heavier, and it's making me look a lot older.
So just to reassure you, this is one of the most common problems that people come in to see me for.
Okay.
So over time, the face changes in volume, so things move forward and down.
Yeah.
So quite commonly, these lines between the nose and the mouth start to become heavier. Also, the marionette lines, as you quite clearly described, start to become indented. Heaviness starts collecting in what's called the jowl area of the face. So over time, as we mature, those things start to get problematic. So today we're going to create some mid-face volume for lift. We're going to soften these lines between the nose and the mouth. We're going to improve the definition to the jawline, all with 5 mils of filler. Completely non-surgical and also lovely natural looking results. So just so you know what to expect afterwards, really important for you guys. So don't put any makeup on, keep it clean and dry. Tonight you can cleanse the skin, but don't put any skin creams, retinols over the top. You're going to feel it there for a few days, so it's going to feel a bit sore and achy. That's completely normal. What you'll find is that softens and settles up over around 7 to 10 days. However, even when you leave, no one's going to see that you've had anything done. It's just going to feel a bit achy and sore. The best analogy that I can use to describe that is if you have a really deep spot,
Yeah.
no one can see the spot, but you can feel it. It's that sort of similar feeling that you'll have afterwards. So if it's a little bit more than you want, paracetamol's fine, just to take the edge off too. Hey presto, well done. That's a massive difference, if I may say so.
Of course.
Right, so let's do the big reveal, shall we?
Oh my God. Oh wow! I look about 20 years younger now. Yay! 35 again.
So we can see those aging signs that we described before the procedure, much softer. So take a look at the lines between the nose and the mouth, and the shadows that were starting to indent here where the marionette is. And you can see as well, the jawline definition is improved. There's less heaviness where the jowls were. And also the cheeks have been lifted enough to suit you.
Yeah.
So nothing unnatural, but we've just turned the clock back.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I don't look so miserable anymore.
Was it what you were expecting?
Well, better than what I expected. I look a lot fresher as well. And I didn't want to go under the knife, obviously, so it's great that dermal fillers can have this effect. I love it.
So guys, I hope you found that really interesting, the results of a facelift without the surgery. So that was using 1 teaspoon or 5 mils of filler to achieve those beautiful, natural looking results.
I'll definitely be back for some more treatments, that's all I can say.
We've got loads more videos coming up, so stay tuned. Check out our social media links above. And if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments box below and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching.